Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know about some important information about Wipro. Then I will share some tips how to prepare for getting a job in Wipro. And I will also share what are the new opportunity that are currently available in Wipro. So now let us proceed and see some important information about Wipro. Wipro basically stand for Western Indian Vegetable Products Limited, but the name of the company is changed to Wipro Product Limited. Currently, it was known as Wipro Products Limited. It was founded in 29 December 1945. It was founded by Mohammad Hasim Premji and the CEO is Thierry Delaporte. Wipro is a multinational company and that provides services in the field of information technology, consulting, and business. It is a service based company. Wipro hired the candidates for two profiles that is WILP and Elite NTH. The WILP program stands for Work Integrated Learning Program. The eligible candidates for WILP are BCA and BSc. The eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, and Electronics and Physics. So now let us know some more information regarding WILP hiring. The registration for the WILP hiring has already been started and the student who have passed their 10th 12th and there must be a 60% in their graduation are eligible. The year of passing are 2020, 2021 and 2022 and it is basically for the BCA and BSc students. Other eligibility criteria are there must be a core subject as mathematics in the graduation and there must be maximum of 3 years of education gap and there is no gap allowed in graduation. The students should have completed regular full-time education and the maximum of one active backlog is allowed. So these are some of the eligibility criteria and there is a service agreement for the will profile. It will be for 60 months. The selection process is as follows. It will consist of an online assessment. The candidate who will be clearing the online assessment will move to the next round, that is the business discussion round. The online assessment will consist of the aptitude test and the written communication test. The aptitude test will consist of the verbal, analytical, and quantitative section, and the written communication test consists of a essay. So these are some of the details regarding the will profile. So the eligible candidates are BSc and BCA and they can register now by clicking on this apply now button. So now let us move to the another profile that is the Elite NTH. The eligibility criteria are as follows. The student having BE, BTech, ME, MTech courses are eligible and the branches except the fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology are eligible. The year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022 students are eligible and there must be 60% or above in the 10th and 12th standard. The age limit is 25 years and the designation will be project engineer and one active backlog is allowed at the time of assessment, and there should not be maximum of 3-year gap in the education. And candidate who have participated in any selection process in the last 6 months are not eligible. So the evaluation process is as follow. First of all, the student have to undergoes through the online assessment that consists 3 sections, that is the aptitude test, the online programming test, and the written communication test. The aptitude test consists of the logical ability, quantitative, and then the English. And then there will be a programming test consisting of 2 programming questions, and the candidate can solve it either by using the Java, C, C++, or Python programming language. And there will be a written communication test that consists of essay writing. The student who satisfy the eligibility criteria as mentioned above can register now by clicking on Apply Now button. So now I will share some tips on how to prepare. The student who satisfy the eligibility criteria can register themselves and then they can start preparing. So they have to prepare the aptitude, programming and essay. For the will profile, only the student need to prepare for the aptitude and the essay. But for the elite and DH, the student have to prepare aptitude, programming and essay. Student can prepare aptitude as well as programming from the Face Prep or the Prep Insta website. So the program will be basic, and it will consist of either array, string or series. It will be based on simple mathematical formula. I will share all the details, links in the description below, and please go through it and register yourself and start preparing. And if you think my video is useful, then please like, share and please subscribe to my channel.